everyone, this is Casper Beamish and, well, look what's in front of me. My Totally Thomastown package has arrived. So yeah, I've been looking forward to getting this for such a long time and for like, a bunch of engines to enter my collection. So yeah. Let's get on with it. Now this tape is, need to be careful not to damage anything that's inside. That wouldn't be good. This side now. God, this is packaged. God, I didn't know Totally Thomastown packaged their things really well. Forget, I'd just try and break it open from there. Now the top. Oh, never mind. I'll just. Sorry if the box is a bit off screen. I'm not looking right now, but yeah. Anyways, okay. The package has been opened, as you can see. Okay, I like this card. Yep, Totally Thomastown. This is a very nice card. Thank you very much for giving this. For your sincere business, we appreciate you. We appreciate you too. And this is that's got all my personal information, so I'm not gonna show that. And that's just the shipping stuff. Okay, and we just slowly take this off. Tissue paper, and what could this possibly be? Like a thank you sticker. That's cool. So let's open this. Okay, so it is mini. So yeah, it's Sydney. I don't have a mini Sydney. Yes, I can't work out if this is normal Sydney or not, if the camera would ever focus. Oh, come on, focus! But, oh god, focus! Okay, there we go. So, yeah, I think it's normal Sydney. Oh, it's got 3D details. Nice. I feel like I've already, got something like this, but it doesn't matter, but... Yes, and there's something else in here. We've got a Thomas sticker, pretty nice. Maybe I can stick this up in my room or something, who knows. And that's it. But anyway, let's actually get onto the engines. So I'm feeling this one. Now let's open it. Oh, yes. I like this orange wrapping, by the way. Yes. Here is Flora. Floras are nice. And I don't know that the bottom looks like that. Interesting. Oh, and sorry for the noises in the background, because, I told all my family that I was recording, but they ignored me. But anyway, yeah, there's Flora. Oh, I really like Flora. She didn't come with the tram car, but I don't care too much. Anyway, next up is this one. Let's open it. Now I know this engine, but you guys don't, because, it was off screen at the time. Neil and the cabless one. So, they color coded this Neil for, the wrapping. Like, you know, I've seen like other YouTube users unbox, you know, engines, but yeah, this Neil's font is pretty weird. I don't know what font it is. Let me just check the year of this Neil. 2008. Neil's a pretty cool engine, so I'm glad I have him now. Anyway, let's do this one next. What could this possibly be? It feels like 2 parts to an engine, so yeah, is there any tender engines that I ordered? I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, I remember. Oh yes. You might think it's James, but it's not. It's Mike. It's Mike. So, yeah, guys, now I already have a mic, guys, but you don't know that I have one because, guys, when I was a little kid, I was interested in the style engine, so I got a plastic mic and a plastic Bird and Rex, but, you know, I decided to get actually, like, a wooden mic because, you know, I just wanted one. This mic's in pretty good condition. Yeah. Anyway, let's do this one next. Yeah. Aha! Fergus. I wanted Fergus for a long time as well. Fergus is pretty cool. And also at some point, I'm probably going to do a remake of Bill, Ben and Fergus because, you know, I quite like that episode. So, yeah, I'm probably going to do a remake of it sometime. And, anyway, let's do this one next. I wonder if they've colour-coded this one. Are there any engines that I ordered that are this colour? I'm trying to think. Ooh! Yes. Nice. So, yeah, this is Dennis. Okay, so, yeah, I'm Dennis. Dennis is a pretty cool engine. Yeah. I'll just check the year of this, Dennis. 2003. Okay, and now this last one. Oh, geez, what happened there? It's a little bit damaged. But, yeah, anyways, it's kind of gotten open already. Can you get a clue of what it might be? Now that is a cool looking Gordon. Every day when you walk, oh god, I don't like that song. But yeah, anyway guys, that is everything I got, because, you know, you can clearly tell that, because, you know, there's nothing left in the box, so I'll just line everything up. So we got, Fergus, old style Gordon, Flora, Neil, Mike, Dennis, and the Sydney Mini, which isn't an actual engine, but yeah. Anyway, guys, yeah, that is everything that I got in that package. So yeah, I hope you like my Totally Thomas Town unboxing video. I may do another one, but I might not. But anyway, guys, that's it. So yeah, goodbye, guys. See you on my next video.